Kila, like, I do feel like she's overrated. Bestie Digvijay mentioned a lot of time ki I basically fool Kashish is a backstabber, so I unfollow his content, 10 million views. The शायरी he got famous for, okay, जो मेरे पे चिपकाया था, वो same शायरी I try to avoid Akriti as much.
Okay.
Like, words are seeming like, it comes from Naira. When like people, that is also racist. It's just like, people are so blind. Jati Maya payo, Jole Jati followers payo. I'll wait for you after the show and all. They say like, I'll be with you after the show. And Anika bhi save nahi kiya khana. I was in the club and then I saw her, Ameha, like, her tongue down someone else's throat. They are very tight. More tight than me and Dev should, क्योंकि मैं नेपाली हूँ, and then like, I like, apologize to them like, thousands of times, like, I'm so sorry that this happened, like, I was not in my right state of mind, like, रूट निकली थी तो उसने दिखलाने मेरे को बोला था कि like, ऐसा ऐसा हुआ था. अरबिक में गाली वगैरह दे रही थी, that was a little uncalled for. अनिकेत के ऊपर भी ट्राई करी है, दिग्दन के ऊपर भी ट्राई. कशिश एंड दिग्विजय are definitely not friends, I can tell you that. रीले डाल रही है किसी बंदी के साथ दुबई में जाके, वो ना मेरे को मेरी मम्मी की रिमाइंड करती है, क्योंकि मैं नेपाली cousin. Oh, she's saying that about Dikila because she wants to be with Aniket. Unnati does have a boyfriend outside. Aniket is very toxic. Rizla mein I just want to ask him like, what are you doing? Adit did not basically leave for like, Khanna. There's another show going on after the show. तो explore करना चाहती है ये वो बोल के, तो उसने भी explore करना start. They confirmed it that it is Kashish बोल के.
क्या बात?
Childish. He's very stupid, childish. I felt a little uncomfortable, like, with him being around. She's ज़्यादातर देव के साथ बात करते थे फोन में घंटों. Actually, can I get that? कुत्तों की तरह भागने start कर दिया उसके पीछे पीछे. They flirts around with Kashish a lot and all that. So she's like, no man, the show is over. I have some class. मेरे मन में लड्डू डेफिनेटली होता है गुम हुई है स्प्लिट्सविला में, मेरे भी कुछ चीजें गुम. Are you jealous of Dikila? You are not even like 1% like Dikila. Kashish? Yeah. Because she wants all the boys for herself. अब दूसरा controversy होगा, अब मजा.
Hi guys, what is up? This is your girl Bhav and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have Miss Ameha in the house, everybody. Can we have a round of applause, shout, blah blah blah. You all wanted her. Here you are. तो अमेया हम चाहते हैं आप ये पॉडकास्ट नेपाली से स्टार्ट करो. मुझे बड़ा हेट मिल रहा है नेपाली लोगों से यार. मैं तो बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, मुझे हेट दे रहे हैं.
भव्यालाई हेट नदिनुहोस् सबैजना. भव्या यति राम्रो रहेछ कि मलाई मजा आयो भव्यासित. यो बिफोर द सुट अल्सो इट इज रियली फन. अब सुटको बाद के हुन्छ थाहा भएन, बट देन स्टिल नाउ शी इज रियली रियली नाइस. एकदमै माया दिनुहोस् भव्यालाई.
क्या मतलब था?
समझ जाएंगे वो लोग, समझ जाएंगे.
ओके.
तो हाँ, इफ यू लव मी लाइक लव भाव्या एज वेल.
Oh, thank you, Meha. So, Ameha, my first question to you is, are you disappointed by your elimination?
Yes, I am disappointed. मेरे को लग रहा था कि like by the show throughout the जब मेरा elimination हुआ कि मैं कर सकती हूँ I can do more बोल के मेरे को लग रहा था. But then जब elimination हुआ तो I was like really sad. I think there were a lot of people undeserving जो show में था. And I think एक तो शोभिका हो गई. I think Shobhika and a lot of people, Lakshay and all that. तो वो लोग के I think they were also targeted throughout जब तक मेरा डोम सेशन चल रहा था. But then eventually like मेरा हो गया, so I feel disappointed कि मेरा people targeted me instead of them कि उन लोगों का connection अच्छा था with certain people. Just because of connection they stayed and they did not see कौन deserving है. तो if you talk about deserving तो I am definitely deserving and I think मेरे को chance मिलना चाहिए था.
You performed also.
Yeah, I think initially when I was getting chances, जो जब भी मेरे को chances मिल रहा था, I gave my 100% and I want us as well. मैंने challenges जीते भी है, so I feel अगर और भी मेरे को मौका मिलता तो I would definitely kill all the challenges. Okay,
so I'll ask you a simple question. Since you have won a lot of challenges in Splitsvilla, whatever journey you had, who was the best to perform the task with? किसके साथ मजा आया task perform करते वक्त?
I think मैंने देव के साथ ही मोस्टली परफॉर्म किया है. But then in terms of performance wise, Dev is a good performer as well.
But वैसे
a lot has happened after the performance, all that challenges after the challenges as well. But yeah, performance wise Dev is ठीक है with me as a performer.
तो देव पे हम बाद में आएंगे. पहले मेरा आपसे क्वेश्चन था, आपने बोला लक्ष्य इज नॉट डिजर्विंग. व्हाई डू यू थिंक लक्ष्य इज नॉट डिजर्विंग?
एक तो आई डोंट थिंक सो उसने कुछ ऐसा कुछ खास चैलेंजेस वगैरह किया है. ही इज देयर बिकॉज उसका कनेक्शन है अनिका, एंड देन अनिका का कनेक्शन हो एक्स है. ही इज बेसिकली अनिका का एक्स, एंड अनिका का कनेक्शन है शिवित. Maybe because of that reason he is there, and of course let's not forget his bestie Digvijay.
You are not friends with Digvijay?
Yeah, of course I'm friends with Digvijay.
Then why bestie Digvijay ऐसे?
Because they are so supportive towards each other, like, which I like, but then he should also see, like, कि other than लक्ष्य कि कौन, like, विला में होना चाहिए, like, रिजर्व करता है. Just because you're friends with him does not mean, like, मैं इसको खींचते रह जाऊंगी, ऐसा नहीं चलता.
Okay. आपको किसने डंप किया है?
मेरे को डंप किया है हर्ष एंड शुभी.
तो दोनों के क्या रिलेशन है आपके साथ?
ओके, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हर्ष. हर्ष के साथ तो डे वन से, like, वी वर गुड फ्रेंड्स, like, बनता था. ही तो चलो ठीक है. रुशाली के साथ मेरा बहुत अच्छा बनता था. मैंने बहुत बार ये बोला भी है, रुशाली के साथ मेरा अच्छा बनता था. तो थ्रू रुशाली, like, आई थॉट रुशाली के, like, कनेक्शन के साथ ही मेरा थोड़ा हर्ष के साथ भी बन गया. एंड देन आई थॉट, लेकिन ठीक है, रुशाली ट्रस्ट हिम, सो आई ट्रस्ट हिम बोल के मेरे को पता. आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट दैट फ्रॉम हर्ष.
You did not?
No. Because
but you told me that you knew that you were gonna get out today.
Because a lot of shit happened before the dome session. Mainly Shubhi के कारण. So before that Shubhi का बस 2-3 दिन पहले उसका एंट्री हो गया था as a wild card. फिर उसके बाद after she came in villa, a lot of people, like, just कुत्तों की तरह भागने स्टार्ट कर दिया उसके पीछे. And one of the person being my connection देव, वो भी उसके पीछे भागने स्टार्ट कर लिया.
मैं इसी पे आ रही थी.
Yes, तो देव उसके पीछे भागने स्टार्ट कर लिया, and that was a little unexpected, क्योंकि उसके साथ उसका और मेरा कनेक्शन ऑलरेडी था. जबकि थोड़ी बहुत बातें चल रही थी हमारी कि, like, वी डिड नॉट बिकम एन आइडल मैच. बट अगर गेम में रहना है तो यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट द गेम एज वेल, राइट? यू हैव टू सी, like, व्हाट आर द चांसेस ऑफ यू स्टेइंग, एंड इफ यू आर एन आइडल मैच देयर आर मोर चांसेस ऑफ यू स्टेइंग इन द गेम. तो मैंने उसी परस्पेक्टिव से मैंने देव को बहुत बार बोला है कि, like, I might go for the idol match but with someone else. If I did get the chance, I might go to the idol match with someone else. Explore. So मैंने इसी बात को एक्सप्लोर वर्ड में बोल दिया था. तो देव को मौका मिल गया कि, like, ओ अमिया तो एक्सप्लोर करना चाहती है ये वो बोल के, तो उसने भी एक्सप्लोर करना स्टार्ट कर दिया विद शुभी. एंड
बट द थिंग इज कि लोग ये बोलते हैं कि बेसिकली देव ने ही ये बोला है कि अमेहा ने आपने उनका नाम लिखवाया था.
ओह या, नो दैट डिड नॉट. सो उसने बहुत बार ये बातें निकाला है, like, आफ्टर द शो एज वेल, लाइव में कि, like, अमिया ने मेरे साथ, like, अनिकेत और डिकिला के साथ प्लॉट किया मुझे निकालने का एंड ऑल दैट. ऐसा कुछ डीप नहीं था. ऑफ कोर्स, like, बहुत सारी हमारी दोनों के बीच में बहुत अनबन चल रही थी बिफोर द डोम सेशन एंड ऑल दैट. ये एक्सप्लोरिंग वाली बातों में वो ही गॉट मैड एट मी बिकॉज आई वोर रिगदेन्स टी शर्ट एंड ऑल दैट. रिगदेन मेरा एक्स. So it was basically very simple. रिगदेन का मैंने टी शर्ट पहना था because I was wearing a sports bra because, like, before the challenges and all that we are supposed to wear comfortable sports bra and all that, right? तो मेरे को वो sports bra पहन के बहुत uncomfortable हो रहा था. तो उसी वक्त मैंने रिगदेन को मेरे रूम के बाहर देखा, तो just casually मैंने पूछा उसके लिए, रिगदेन एक टी शर्ट दे दे, I want to wear it बोल के. So that was it. तो उसी बात में भी Dave started poking me and all that. So उसी बात पे he started poking me and all that shit, okay? फिर उसी बात पे हमारा अनबन चल रहा था. सो इवेंचुअली ही बेसिकली थॉट, like, इसी बात पे डिकिला, ओके नाउ डिकिला जब वो आइडल जीती थे एक टास्क, शी हैड टू गो फॉर द आइडल मैच. शी वाज इन द सेफ जोन, आई वाज नॉट इन द सेफ जोन. हाउ कैन आई, like, टेल समवन टू, like, इसको निकाल एंड ऑल दैट. सो उसने कैजुअली, आई वाज वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स विद डिकिला वहाँ पे. तो उसने बहुत कैजुअली मेरे को पूछा था, यार मैं तो उसमें जा रही हूँ सेफ जोन में, मेरे को तो किसी को निकालना पड़ेगा एंड ऑल दैट. ऐसे कैजुअल कॉन्वर्सेशन निकाला. तो उसने बोला था देव का नाम लिख दो क्या बोल के. तो उसी बात में मैंने बोल दिया था ओके. मैं क्या ही बोल सकती थी, like, I can't be like, no देव को मत निकाल, मेरा प्यार है एंड ऑल दैट. इवन शी वाज सीइंग इट दैट मेरा और देव का नहीं बन रहा था. तो शी आल्सो थॉट, like, इट वुड बी गुड फॉर मी कि मैं, like, आई मूव ऑन विद समवन एल्स बोल के. तो उसी बात पे, like, मैंने बोला था
ओके. So as a friend, Dikila wrote Dev's name because she wanted you to connect with somebody else.
Yes.
So
डिकिला और मेरा बहुत बनता था, like, in the villa because we were both Nepali and all that. तो उसी वक्त, like, she thought, like, I would build a better connection with someone else if Dave is not here. तो उसी बात पे, like, मैंने बस casually ठीक बोला था ओके. दैट्स ऑल. उसके बाद हमारी कॉन्वर्सेशन आगे तक बढ़ी भी नहीं की, लेकिन हमारी प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग भी नहीं चली. तो देव के नाम लिख और इसका नाम लिख, ऐसा कुछ प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग भी नहीं चला. एंड अगर बात आती है लेकिन नाम लिखने का, I think everyone knew who Dikila targeted. खनक. I think अनिका भी बहुत good friends था खनक के साथ. But then अनिका also knew खनक was in danger बोल के. But अनिका ने भी save नहीं किया खनक को during the dome session and all that. So that's what it doesn't make sense. अगर लोगों को पता होता है who is target and all that. तो it's just मैंने अपना connection को, he got a chance to say that मैंने लिखा है, I basically asked Dikila and Anike to write my name. So उसी बात पे he has mentioned a lot of time कि I basically forced them to write my name, but that was not it.
Did you like Dev?
Like in the starting, okay, I think they were मेरा instant connection बन गया था, and eventually I thought yeah, I think there could be something going on between us, बाद में भी after the show also चल सकता है. But then as the show progressed, सब लोगों का गेम पता चलने लगा, who is in for the game and who is in for the connection. तो Dev was mostly for the game.
For the game.
Yes.
जो आपको लगता है अच्छी खेल रहा हो.
Yes. जो अच्छा खेल रहा हो उसके पास he'll of course go there. Most of the time if you see in the beginning हम लोग game जीत रहे थे, we were winning task and all that, so we were together. But eventually he did realize that that he was not getting a lot of screen time with me, so eventually he also went to people who got more screen time basically.
He was not getting screen time with you were saying.
Yeah. So he used to hang out with people who used to get more screen time, and then उसको connection
मिला. आपको screen time मिला?
I think eventually जब मैं game we were winning task and all that we were getting, but then eventually थोड़ा हो गया नहीं, we were not getting a lot of footage. तो उसके बाद I think he drifted a little apart from me.
He did.
And then लोगों को भी दिख रहा है in the entire episodes it's basically being seen.
So ये तो हो गई देव की बात अमेहा, ठीक है. बट मुझे ये जानना है कि अगर वो बोल रहे थे कि एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, ठीक है, बात हो रही थी एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, सो हु वुड यू हैव गॉन फॉर इफ यू वर एक्सप्लोरिंग?
आई थिंक एक्सप्लोर की बात होती तो अब मैं पहले भी बोल चुकी हूँ ऑलरेडी कि मैंने एक्सप्लोरी वाली बात कही कि टू गो फॉर द आइडियल मैच. तो इफ आई डिड गेट अ चांस टू गो टू द आइडियल मैच, आई वुड गो विद एनीवन. किसी के साथ भी चले जाए, हाँ, किसी के साथ भी चांस मिले तो मैं चले जाए. बट इफ आई हैव टू एक्सप्लोर इन द टर्म सेंस कि मुझे किसी और के साथ नया कनेक्शन बनाना है एंड ऑल दैट, आई डोंट थिंक सो देयर इज एनीवन. नो.
नाउ कमिंग टू योर कंट्रोवर्सीज अमेहा. So the first one was जिसके अंदर कशिश जिसके अंदर involved है. You and Kashish were hanging out, were tight in Bombay. And
we were very close.
People have seen it. मतलब जो भी दिख रहा था हम उसके हिसाब से ही बोल रहे हैं. We don't know what's the backstory. But then what happened that you unfollowed Kashish and now things are not going in your direction? Why?
So before that something happened involving Dev only. तो I was in Bombay. तो हम साथ में chill कर रहे थे, हम party कर रहे थे, me, Kashish, Rudu, हम सब साथ में थे. And then she knows some certain things which I asked her not to tell, girl code, because we are friends. Okay, she's friends with Dev and all that, but she's also friends with me. तो मैंने उसको clearly बोला था, okay, I met this guy, a very old friend of mine, in this Bombay club. तो then मेरा कुछ scene हो गया उसके साथ in the club itself. Okay, in the club itself. So I told her not to mention anyone and all that. तो नहीं निकला था ये बात from her as per I know but then recently I came to know about this Reddit account who is saying all shit about me and then the words are very bad, the kind of words they are using it it does kind of seem this is not this is someone words of someone I already know. So Kashish ka words it literally made it seem it was Kashish's words, and the account basically was talking a lot of trash about me, Ruru and Jashwant and a lot of people who Dikila and all that, a lot of people who she does not like. So मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, ठीक है. So the Reddit का people were only connecting all the dots about that account, and then they they confirmed it that it is Kashish बोल के.
क्या बात कर रही है?
Yes. And if you
Did
see
you
the
confront Kashish about this?
No, I did not confront because I was so pissed. As मैंने जब पढ़ती गई ना, मैं जब all the Reddit का comments and all that, then it really made sense that it is Kashish. So जो बात हमारी वो मुंबई में हुई थी ना, I told her not to tell anyone and all that. So I was just thinking out of all the people, okay, 50 to 60 people होते हैं Reddit के account में, the people who you regularly post and all that. So I'm just thinking out of all the 50 to 60 people, what are the chances of those people being in that particular club? क्योंकि उसने बोला है कि I was in the club and then I saw her Ameha her tongue down someone else's throat and all that. So yeah, that's the particular words being used there, okay? So I really felt bad about it, and then instantly I realized no, the Kashish is a backstabber, so I unfollowed her instantly.
Okay, but you never confronted her. But now Dave and
I do feel bad, that I did not confront her. But I'm pretty sure, it is Kashish, unless Kashish tells her by myself, her by herself that no, it's not me and all that. I'm still gonna think it is Kashish.
so Dave and Kashish are now very tight.
Dave and Kashish are tight, yeah. You
Why?
can see it, from the, I think, Villa se hi, a lot of people can see it. They are very tight. More tight than me and Dave should be.
What do you think? Oh, like that you're saying?
Not in the sense like that, but I don't know, whatever you can make out of it. So basically, in the villa also, a lot of times you can see, him being very friendly with the Kashish. If Kashish is in there's this particular scene,
Do you
Kashish
think
in the towel.
Dave flirts around with a lot of women? You were trying to say that.
No, Dave does not flirt around a lot of women at all. Dave flirts around with Kashish a lot.
With Kashish a lot. So you
Yeah.
think he likes Kashish?
I do feel that way. I've confronted Kashish, Dave as well. Ki, do you like Kashish in that way? So he has, of course, straight up said no. Of course, why will he say it?
हमको ये सुनने में आया था कि आप vlog में नहीं आए.
Okay, so recently हम एक कसौल trip में गए थे. So after Bombay, me, Kashish, Dave and all, Addy, ये सब plan किया कि हम Kashish दिल्ली आएगी and दिल्ली से हम drive करके कसौल जाएंगे बोल के. तो I was not ये plan ना बस इन लोगों ने बोला था because I don't communicate with Dave as much. हमारी बात ही नहीं होती इतना ज़्यादा, as more than
like I want to say one thing that Ameha told me that I'm sorry I'm gonna get to the trip again. I have this question for you where आपको show में ही पता चल गया था कि what kind of person Dave is.
Yeah.
But then बाहर आके why were you making reels with him and why you were being
a lot of people have said this to me.
So sweet, like why were you trying to tell the audience that there is a connection, there was a possible connection? तो वो क्या था?
So after the show भी क्या हुआ ना, शो के बाद मेरा और देव का इतना बातें नहीं हो रहा था. तो शो के बाद हमारी directly बात हुआ, when we were planning on to watch the first episode का screening together. मेरे साथ बात नहीं हुआ था, कशिश के साथ बात हुआ था. Kashish, Dave basically told Kashish to tell Ameha. इतना घुमाव फिरा कर क्यों हो रहा है? अगर if you want me to come to the party, screening, you directly tell me, right? तो उसने मेरे को directly नहीं बोला.
ये screening कहाँ हुई थी?
स्क्रीनिंग नहीं हुआ, प्लान नहीं बनी, we were planning कि ये करेंगे बोल के. तो he did mention अमेहा के वो बुला लो, but then he did not tell me directly. तो मेरे जब ये thought आया, I thought Dave is cool with me. जो भी हुआ show में, it was for the show, and after the show we are cool. Yeah, I thought that.
Unless the episode goes to the air.
Yes, and then eventually हम जब episode भी air हो रहा था ना, at first Dave और मेरा बहुत ship चल रही थी, they look cute together, and eventually we were sorted out, okay? And then बाद में we went हम eventually सोचा चलो मिलते हैं and all that. So I basically went to Chandigarh. I thought I should
make a move.
I should make a move. So I did go to Chandigarh and I met his friends, I met his family and all that. So it was really beautiful. हम जब मिल रहे थे, usually हम साथ में साथ में एक all of us together. Me, Ishita, Yuvraj, उसके दोस्त and देव के दोस्त. शोभिका नहीं थी, वो मुंबई गई थी. तो अपन लोग सब साथ में थे. So we really enjoyed a lot. It was really fun hanging out with him. तो मेरे को लगा, oh, this is a different person, जो शो में था. तो हाँ, ऐसा होता है, शो लोग थोड़ा different होते हैं शो में. शो में थोड़ा डिफरेंट होते हैं एंड देन रियल में थोड़ा डिफरेंट होता है, ऐसा लगा मेरे को. ठीक है, देन वी वर रियली चिलिंग एंड हैंग आउट टुगेदर एंड देन बैक टू दिल्ली. एंड देन अगेन फिर से वही लाइक यू नो वी वर नॉट हैविंग लाइक यू नो ऐसे टेक्स्ट एक्सचेंज नहीं हो रहे थे, कॉल एक्सचेंज नहीं
तो
हो रहे थे.
कसौल ट्रिप जो बनी थी ये भी दूसरे के थ्रू बनी थी?
कशिश एंड देव लाइक हम साथ में ही थे. हाँ, मी कशिश वर टुगेदर ओनली. कशिश ज्यादातर देव के साथ बात करते थे फोन में घंटों. तो उन लोगों ने ऐसे प्लान बनाया तो कशिश ने लाइक यू आर इन, तो आई वाज लाइक या डेफिनेटली आई एम इन बोल के. तो इवेंचुअली फिर अचानक लाइक यू नो आफ्टर ऑल दैट देन हम डायरेक्टली वही कसौल लाइक यू नो कसौल में मिले. नॉट कसौल, पहले वी वेंट टू कैथल टू हिज प्लेस, फिर वहाँ से हम कसौल के लिए निकल गए. एंड स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द ट्रिप एवरीथिंग वाज फाइन, बट फिर से बाद में लाइक यू नो व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड सीइंग हिम लाइक यू नो
with Kashish, I felt jealous.
And I like you know थोड़ा
Did you feel jealous?
थोड़ा ना मेरा तो थोड़ा डिलेमा हो गया लाइक यू नो थोड़ा वो हो गया डेजा वू हो गया लाइक यू नो कि ये तो कभी हो चुका है मेरे साथ पहली बार लाइक यू नो पहले बार भी हो चुका है बोल के था ना. ओ द सेम शिट इज लाइक यू नो रिपीटिंग अगेन. Then I realized like you know it's not Dave, like you know it's basically Dave around Kashish. So he is a little different around Kashish with me, so that's how I felt like you know okay like no he's the same person as he was in
But
Split.
then now we come to the point where you and him were making videos.
वो तो चंडीगढ़ वाली थी. जब मैं चंडीगढ़ गई थी तब वाली थी, तो मोस्टली वीडियोस हमने तभी बनाए थे.
अच्छा उसके बाद नहीं.
ऑफ कोर्स मिल रहे तो लाइक यू नो कुछ कंटेंट भी दे देते लोगों को, कंटेंट दे दिया.
So honest.
हाँ, it was like you know both of our thing together. तो mostly हमारी जब बात होती थी तो बस content related. हाँ.
Wow man, that's so honest, Ameha.
Yeah.
So do you think a lot of people are like that? Those couple we see in your show, they only talk when the you know content is needed to be delivered for that 10 million reach, man. What's up with that?
अभी तो शो में लाइक यू नो जो हम आई थिंक मेरा और देव का ही थोड़ा ऐसा वैसा हुआ है, बट अदर देन दैट लाइक यू नो दूसरा लोगों का चल रहा है. ठीक है, तो अभी नहीं बता सकती लाइक यू नो कि किसका थोड़ा इधर उधर चल रहा है.
बट है ऐसे लोग.
अब या आई डू थिंक सो है ऐसे लोग जो बस कंटेंट 10 million views.
अच्छा बस वही है. Do you think Kashish and Addy?
Kashish and Addy, yeah, no.
They're real couple?
No.
They do it for the content because
I don't think so. They are even doing it right now. I think जब कसौल में मिले थे तभी बनाया था उन लोगों ने थोड़ा content. पहले तो I think Kashish, can I say this? Okay, I'll say it. Okay, so पहले when Splitsvilla got over, Kashish like मेरा Kashish का बनता था like okay, and then I told her like you know why not you're not following Addy and all that. So she's like no man, the show is over. I have some class. So that was Kashish's words.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's some tea. Hello. Okay.
So I did think like oh okay.
But when
yeah.
did they follow each other?
I think that was before like few days before our Kasol trip.
Really?
Yeah. Few days ago. Yeah. I think probably that around that time.
तो कसौल ट्रिप में आप लोग सब साथ में गए थे. अब उन कसौल ट्रिप में से कौन-कौन रह गए दोस्त आपके? No one.
I don't. तीन ही लोग तो थे.
Addy है दोस्त अभी भी?
Addy के साथ पहले भी before कसौल ट्रिप भी इतना नहीं बनता था. I don't think so. Addy.
Why?
He's not my vibe to be honest.
What is his vibe?
I don't know. He's a little very childish. He's very stupid, childish and all that. So I don't really vibe with him as much.
Do you think Dave is more mature than Addy?
Definitely, yeah.
Definitely.
I thought about. I think they're on the same level, but Addy is like a little.
He's young.
Yeah, he's very young, and then he's just 19 years old. I'm not saying like I'm not judging him on the basis of age, but then yeah, he does think like a 19-year-old.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we can come to the point where हमें जो सुनने में आया था कि आपको vlog में नहीं लिया तो आप बहुत disturb हो गए.
व्लॉग में नहीं लिया गया. आई थिंक वही बात है लेकिन व्लॉग में नहीं लिया. एंड आई वाज नॉट एंग्री दैट ही डिड नॉट इन्वॉल्व मी इन दिस व्लॉग एंड ऑल दैट. व्हेन द कैमरा वाज ऑफ आल्सो लाइक so it was just like 3 people having conversation.
Addy, Dave and Kashish were having conversation.
Yeah,
and you
mostly.
felt left out.
Yes. So I think वही हुआ था. तो बिकॉज इट्स नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ लाइक क्योंकि मैं नेपाली हूँ एंड देन लाइक ऐसा वैसा नहीं बनता. इट्स नॉट दैट. आई हैव स्टेड इन दिल्ली फॉर लाइक 6 years. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ नॉर्थ इंडियन फ्रेंड्स एज वेल. तो लाइक इट्स नॉट बिकॉज आई डोंट जेल वेरी गुड विद लाइक नॉर्थ इंडियन पीपल. इट्स नॉट दैट. बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर कमेंटिंग एज वेल कि ओ आई गेट अमेहा बिकॉज अमेहा इज नेपाली, लाइक होता है हमारे साथ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. लाइक आई जेल विद a lot of.
That's very old school thinking.
Yeah.
I think that's changed now.
Yeah.
So जो लेकिन है ऐसे लोग आपके सीजन में, those who made you feel like okay she's Nepali so I don't want to talk to her.
No, I don't think so anyone.
Thank God we skipped that topic very well.
Yeah.
Okay, now coming to the point जिसके अंदर रूरू, अब जो देव का चैप्टर आपके लिए closed है.
Yeah, it's closed because Dave is like जितनी भी बार भी मिलूंगी like Dave से he'll just keep on reminding me of like the person he has been with me like with Kashish and all that, so he'll just keep on reminding me of that. So and I think it's gonna hurt me a little as well. He like I'll see him as that persona as well, like the kind of person he was with me in the villa and then like when, on the Kasol trip as well. So he'll just keep on reminding me of that. So I don't think so I can do that.
We have spoken about two people briefly right now, Ameha. The first person is Dev. The second person is Kashish. I'm gonna simply ask you one question. Is there a possibility of friendship in future with both of them?
आई डोंट थिंक सो विद देव, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत बार सॉर्ट करने की ट्राई भी किया है. ठीक है, देव के साथ हम ऐसे कॉल वगैरह में भी बात किया, लेकिन व्हेन आई पोस्टेड दैट वीडियो सो बेसिकली लाइक मैंने अनफॉलो किया था देव को. ठीक है, तो बिकॉज मेरे को कुछ आफ्टर द कसौल ट्रिप आफ्टर द कसौल ट्रिप एंड जब मैंने शुभी और उसका कॉन्वर्सेशन देखा था एपिसोड में, दैट रियली हर्ट मी अ लॉट. जब
द कॉन्वर्सेशन
So basically he was flirting with her. शुभी अभी एंट्री आई थी ओके विला में, and then he was like मुझे तो आपके साथ बाहर भी कनेक्शन बनाना है and all that. ओके मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ बातें नहीं हुआ एंड अभी जो वाइल्ड कार्ड नई बंदी आई है उसके साथ बातें हो रही है. द शायरी ही गॉट फेमस फॉर ओके जो मेरे पे चिपकाया था वो सेम शायरी शुभी के साथ भी चिपका रहा है एंड ऑल दैट. सो मेरे को वो देखे ना बहुत ही ट्रिगर हो गया ओके वो देखे. तो आई थॉट लाइक इट्स डन. दैट्स व्हाई आई अनफॉलोड हिम. जैसे मैंने अनफॉलो किया, मैंने कुछ रिएक्ट नहीं किया, लाइक पीपल वेर आस्किंग मी अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कि लाइक व्हाई डिड यू गाइज अनफॉलो ईच अदर ये वो बोल के. मैंने कुछ रिएक्ट नहीं किया. बट देन देव ने अपने ब्रॉडकास्ट पे लाइक बहुत कुछ बोला, लाइक पता नहीं क्या हो गया है एंड ऑल दैट एंड लॉट ऑफ लाइक अदर थिंग्स लाइक ही सेड. आई डोंट रिमेंबर.
Did you say anything on your broadcast?
I did not. मैंने after the unfollow thing मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला. After few days like I think a week or so मेरे को बहुत लोग बोल रहे थे like जो हमारे like fans थे हमारे together who were shipping us together, they wanted to know. Okay, so just to clear out to them I made a YouTube video. ठीक है, clearing it out like giving them the whole timeline okay of how like it our relationship was. तो मैंने वो जो सच्चाई था वही बताया, which was basically कि they were मेरा we were never dating. तो people were assuming that we were dating बोल के. ठीक है, तो मैंने वही clear out किया कि like we never dated.
Yeah, you told me that we were never dating, but there was a
there was a
possibility outside.
Yeah,
जो कि कसौल ट्रिप के बाद मिट्टी हो गई.
आई मीन लाइक जो भी था लाइक मेरा कनेक्शन था वो. ठीक है, एंड हम लोग ऐसे जेल कर रहे थे लाइक टुगेदर. उसने मेरे को मम्मी पापा से मिलाया एंड हिज फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली. तो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा ये बात. ओके, देयर मॉम एंड डैड आर आल्सो लाइक वेरी स्वीट पर्सन. हिज फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली ओके दे वर आल्सो वेरी एक्सेप्टिंग. या लाइक दे वर सो वेरी वार्म एंड वेलकमिंग. सो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. लाइक ऑफ कोर्स आई एम अ गर्ल. अगर तुम ऐसा लाइक जेस्चर्स दिखाते हो
तो वो दिल में जाग लड्डू मन में
एग्जैक्टली मेरे को लगा मेरे मन में लड्डू डेफिनेटली होता है. अब तो मैं जब घर भी वापस आई ना मेरे रूममेट्स को मैंने बताया ब्रो अब तो आई थिंक
लव रिलेशनशिप हो जाएगा.
नॉट लव ओके लव इज टू जल्दी. तो मैंने मेरे दोस्तों को बताया ब्रो यू नो व्हाट समथिंग माइट हैपन बिटवीन मी एंड देव लाइक वी वर बॉन्डिंग सो वेल लाइक इन चंडीगढ़ एंड ऑल दैट. मैंने उसको वो बोला मेरे रूममेट्स को बोला. बट देन फिर वो अगर वी वर बॉन्डिंग वेल सो यू हैव टू कीप मेंटेनिंग दैट ना. तो मैं थोड़ा लड़की हूँ, मेरे को आई एम अ लिटिल ओल्ड स्कूल. ठीक है, मेरे को नहीं पसंद है लड़कों को टेक्स्ट करना एंड ऑल दैट. तो आई वाज waiting for his text and all but वो कभी नहीं आया.
Basically उस trip के बाद you did not get the text.
No.
So you just kept waiting.
Yeah.
And then suddenly you unfollowed him and then you went on your YouTube, made a video.
Yeah. Then suddenly like yeah that happened.
तो वीडियो में जब आपने बोला था आपको hate मिला?
I think there were like just 5% like people saying you're wrong and all that ऐसे and then 90% like 95% was all love.
All love.
And then I do feel bad like देव को इतना hate मिला after that video. मेरे को बहुत बुरा लगा. People were like saying a lot of things about his character, his like personality and then his looks as well. तो वो बात मेरे को बहुत बुरा लगा. But like if I go on and defend him तो थोड़ा like it would like look like I'm weak and like I'm soft and all that. तो मैंने वो बात थोड़ा like I did not let it out. Of course I felt bad like of
The hate
he was getting.
But the main मुद्दा is that दोस्ती का कोई chance नहीं है.
देव के साथ नहीं.
It's done and dusted.
Yes.
Okay, now coming back to Kashish, you still have left hope there.
Kashish के साथ, yeah, I do feel that way because जो भी था like I think we were bonding very well. She was a very good friend like Kashish को I like her as a person as well. If like if I'm viewing as a viewer, okay, Splitsvilla, I would really root for Kashish because I really like the kind of words she uses and all like जिसकी बातें वगैरह.
Audience point of view.
Yeah, I would really love her. तो जब like मैं मिली भी उसके साथ तो it was we were gelling together. But then like ऐसी बातें आ गई like about all that. वो वाले अगर वो भी बात होता है ना that Dev is flirting with Kashish and then Kashish is also थोड़ा going along because I wouldn't mind all that. ठीक है. तो both of them used to kind of like मस्ती मजाक बहुत करते हैं. Yeah, they used to do that. तो I wouldn't mind that as well. ठीक है. But then I think Kashish should also understand कि जो भी हो like हमारा we were never friends. ठीक है. Me and Dev we were never friends. Like we were definitely more than friends. So I think like she misunderstood that, but and then like she misunderstood that and उसने वो नहीं देखा like कि मेरा perspective भी नहीं देखा like अगर अमेहा को बुरा लगेगा या नहीं तो उसने वो नहीं किया. So ऐसी छोटी बातें like I would like to clear it out with Kashish eventually. But
we hope that your friendship comes back. I at least hope. I always feel like लड़के तो आते जाते रहेंगे. लड़कियां हमेशा रहनी चाहिए. And especially I've met Kashish also and I've met you and I feel like you two are amazing people and like लड़के के चक्कर में लड़ना is though Dev is also my friend but I'm just saying like एक लड़के के चक्कर में लड़ना is like I think bros over hoes for me. So
I don't think so. We were fighting over Dev as well.
But then we come to the point why you were actually fighting. So you actually went to that club and you were kissing somebody.
Yeah, I met old friend of mine, okay, and he approached me and then all that. So yeah, we did make a move and all that. He made a move on me, and then I went along with it. After all that happened, we went to the flat as well because he had a mutual friend and Sachin and him, they both had a mutual friend, and that's why like we went to Sachin's flat.
Okay.
Yeah, तो वहाँ पे भी like I felt a little uncomfortable like with him being around there. तो like lot of time मैंने Sachin को भी बोला like कि भगा दूँगी इसको ये वो बोल के. And then after when he left, मैंने Kashish को Sachin को बहुत like whoever was there, I like apologized to them like thousands of times like I'm so sorry that this happened like I was not in my right state of mind and all that. मैंने बहुत बार बोला especially Kashish को also. ठीक है. तो I feel like she should have been more understanding in all that and then maybe like should have said it in the like थोड़ा add करके like बोल देते like if you're telling me about me like Dev about me, you should also say that like actually she was also sorry and all that. I'm not trying to play
so basically जो मुझे समझ आ रहा है वो ये है कि you felt bad that Kashish was more of a friend with Dev and not a good was lesser of a friend with you.
Yeah.
But you had a different outlook and you were more of a friend with Kashish and less of a friend with Dev.
Yeah.
So that's the thing which came in the picture. तो ये तो ego की बात है, ये तो हो जाना चाहिए sort.
I do hope so.
है ना? So now coming to the point where you are out now.
Oh yes, I'm out.
And
at that point, like at that point, I was in a way happy also, because
अभी जो आपका एपिसोड आएगा, तो इसमें आपको सही लगा चाय पे चर्चा आपने मिस कर दी.
Oh, yeah, like when I got out, like I heard about the chai pa charcha and all that, and then it was really getting spicy. Like I'm seeing like all the promos and all that, so it's really heated the episode.
So Akriti is getting a lot of hate on Chai Pe Charcha. Yes. So do you think she deserves that much hate?
Yeah, I think बहुत चीज़ें बातें हुई है विला में like and then Akriti is against Akriti is like बहुत सारा reasons like for all that, but then she is the cause like root of all the cause. So I think yeah, she might be a little deserving for all the chai.
आप होते तो आप भी चाय थोड़ा बहुत अपने हिस्से की दे देते?
Maybe I don't know, but I don't think आकृति में और मेरा इतना bad beef कुछ हुआ है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है. I basically आकृति like we used to be a little distant only, like वो अपने में रहती थी and then I try to avoid आकृति as much.
Okay. Okay, me too. Okay, then Ruru recently made an accusation on Akriti on my podcast.
Okay.
And I don't know if you have watched the video, but do you agree with that accusation? I don't want to say the word again. It's like very pity.
What?
Accusation था, मतलब आप समझ
क्या?
जाओ इशारों में क्या ही होगा आकृति के ऊपर. So I don't want to say that, but I'm just saying the accusation was right or wrong.
Yeah, I know it. It's right.
It's right.
Yeah.
You were there. You were part of it.
Yeah, when we were watching the episode, like she was like, "Bro, I think when we were watching some reel, it was like, bro, this is mine.
This is my top.
Yeah. So like, yeah.
But your tops are with you.
Yeah, everything is with me. No, but a lot of चीजें गुम हुई है स्प्लिट्सविला में, होता ही है. I don't know who has it, but मेरे भी कुछ चीजें गुम हुई है. I'm not putting any blame, but yeah.
But
I don't know, but
so Ruru's accusation was right.
Yeah.
On Akriti.
Yeah.
Okay. So you just watched that reel. But वो reel आपको free के कपड़े थे ना वो तो? है ना, मतलब वो तो कोई भी उठा सकता है. Like that was.
Yeah, it was this fully फालतू का वो था merchandise. तो basically fully फर्ती को merchandise था, and then there's this one scene, I don't know if it's मैंने देखा नहीं है fully. तो वहाँ पे like table पे we had to pick out clothes and all that. तो fully पूरे t-shirts पड़े थे, pillows पड़े थे and all that, like merchandise पड़े थे. तो सबसे पहले आकृति भाग के जाती है and then she keeps all the t-shirts and all that.
Yeah.
हाँ, so हाँ, we did get the t-shirts, but from Akriti.
Ruru.
Akriti, can I get that?
So now there's this one more controversy you are in. I wonder, like इतने से शो के अंदर आपको इतनी सारी controversies में घुसा दिया, मतलब मैं पूछे ही जा रही हूँ खत्म. The Dikila controversy.
I you know what? I thought like I was the most quiet person in the show, like and मेरे को इतना नहीं पड़ेगा like in the controversy, but yeah, my names are getting involved. So yeah, go ahead.
So the thing is that true or is that not true? Like what happened? Did Ruru fake it? You told somebody, who told you, what happened?
Ruru was definitely not faking it, because after the show when we got eliminated, वो 2 दिन तक ऐसे सोई पड़ी थी, like when the doctor came and then उसको 101, 102 fever था.
I just want to say one thing, that production, until unless you are really sick, will not make you sit outside. That I know from my observation.
Yeah, she was not literally able to stand. That's why she उसको बीच में थोड़ा सा dome session में like they asked her to like go out and just बैठ जा बोल के. हाँ, तो वो बात हुई थी. So before that also like a lot of people were saying like Ruru is बस Ruru is faking her बीमारी because she thinks like she might be targeted and go out. So that's why जो पहले नहीं हुआ था ये युवराज एंड अरबाज के साथ, तो उन लोगों की नाक टूटी थी, सो दे वर आउट फॉर 2-3 एपिसोड्स, बट देन दे केम बैक अगेन. तो वो लोग कुछ एपिसोड बच गए. तो वही हुआ था सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर पुटिंग द ब्लेम ऐसे चर्चा चल रहा था कि रूरू का ये सब हो रहा था. नॉट मी, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल न्यू एज वेल बिफोर. मेरे को तब पता चला, डोम सेशन में पता चला थ्रू डिकिला. ओके, सो डिकिला को भी किसी और के थ्रू पता चला. I don't know who this originally came out. किसने निकाला ये fake accusation कि रूरू बीमार एक्टिंग कर रही है बोल के. तो I don't know originally who came out, but who said it. But then a lot of people other than Dikila also knew that. तो मेरे को डिकिला के थ्रू पता चला ये बात. डिकिला के थ्रू पता चला, डिकिला को किसी और के थ्रू पता चला. You'll have to ask डिकिला for that. So it's not confirmed कि
किसने बोला. अच्छा, ये भी है पॉइंट. सॉरी, then taking my words.
So now Dikila, I don't know, but Dikila also is like not confirming कि मैंने बताया, but I think I'm pretty sure Dikila, because I did not vibe well so much with so many people. Okay,
you were just friends with.
मेरा connection mostly मेरा बातें mostly Dikila के साथ ही होता था. ठीक है, तो जब वो डोम सेशन में जरूर निकली थी, तो उसने Dikila ने मेरे को बोला था कि ऐसा हुआ था बोल के. तो उसी बात में मैंने कुछ लिया. अच्छा, दैट्स इट. ओके, एंड देन जब वो हम दोनों निकले, रूरू एंड मी, तो आफ्टर द शो मैं और रूरू बहुत अच्छी तरह से बॉन्ड हो रहे थे. ठीक है, तो मैंने कैजुअली रूरू को एक कॉन्वर्सेशन में पूछा अच्छा तू सच्ची में बीमार है behind your back there was this conversation going around a lot of people were saying कि तू you were faking your बीमारी.
You told this to Ruru after the show was
after
over.
the show, not after the show, when we got eliminated, and then
But you were friends with Dikila. Didn't you feel like कि Dikila बाहर आएगी तो उसको problem होगी जब आप बोल दोगे तो?
I thought Dikila के साथ भी ये बात निकलेगी when we would be together me, Ruru, Dikila, अब हम तीनों फिर से एक conversation करेंगे बोल के. जब ये बात निकली थी that was after elimination के 2-3 दिन बाद, ठीक है? तो मैंने उसको पूछा था when she was also sick back then also, तो मैंने उसको बोला you're not faking it bro, I feel sorry for you because a lot of people were saying behind your back that you're faking it so that you don't get eliminated and all that. तो as a friend to Ruru because I felt bad she should know that तेरे पीठ पीछे क्या बातें हो रही है बोल के. तो मैंने उसको बोल दिया. तो after the show also that did hurt her because she was friends with a lot of people, okay, in the show as well. तो उसको ये बात बहुत hurt हुई है. So eventually I thought after the show as well we would sort it out, me, Ruru, Dikila, and then जिसने भी ये बात originally निकाली है, but then ये बात I think थोड़ा दब गई, okay, we forgot about it basically, because we were all friends after the show as well. But then Ruru ने जब recently I think 2-3 दिन पहले ये episode निकाला pointing out people and all that ऐसी वाली बात, so she did talk about this conversation. So I think this conversation ये बात could have been easily handled, but it's just Ruru felt a little more hurt, okay, तो बहुत sensitive हो गई उस बात पे, and then she started crying. तो a lot of people started thinking she is crying for sympathy.
Okay.
तो लोगों को ऐसा लगा कि कि लो सिंपैथी के लिए रो रही है, and then उसी में मेरा नाम आ गया I heard through Ameha and Ameha that Dikila ने बोला बोल के, because these two names were involved and because some crying was involved, so that's why people thought कि she's crying for sympathy and all that, sympathy gain करने के लिए cry करी है, but that was not it. अगर अगर she was a little थोड़ा sensitive नहीं होती, अगर उसने ये बात ऐसे casually बोल देती होती ऐसी बात हुई है, so I think we could have sorted out properly. But then it's the fans, okay, I think it's the fans who created this problem कि she's crying for sympathy and all that. So I think even Dikila and me after the video also we could have sorted it out, but the fans basically are very toxic, and उन लोगों ने यही छोटी सी यही बात पे इतना बतंगर बना दिया, and then started saying attacking me and Ruru कि तुम लोग ऐसे बातें कर रहे हो पीठ पीछे ऐसी बातें कर रहे हो and all that बोल के. So that's the matter.
So now you and Dikila have sorted it out, because people have mentioned that you went to your broadcast channel last night and said, gave a shade. Did you give a shade?
It was not a shade basically. तो मैंने clearly mention किया मेरे को बहुत लोग बोल रहे थे कि why are you bitching about it? ऐसे bitching वाली कुछ scene ही नहीं थे. I was being a friend to Ruru and being honest with her कि ऐसी बात ही चल रही है तेरे. That was just me being a friend to Ruru. There was no bitching about it तो मैंने बस क्लियरली मेंशन कर दिया कि देयर वाज नो बिचिंग, बस मैंने ये सुना था ही सेड शी सेड वाली बात हुई, तो मैंने किसी से सुना, किसी ने किसी से सुना है, तो वही वाली बात था.
Who do you think it? Somebody who said it? Who do you think it is?
So as per some name callings going on थोड़ा original वो जा रहा है जब when you're connecting the dots and all that, so the original words are seeming it comes from Naira. Because I think बाद में also Ruru और Naira के बीच में कुछ.
Coming back to the point, Dikila और आपका sort हो गया?
Yeah, I think Dikila और मेरा तो sorted है, but I think Dikila and Ruru still has to work it out, because Dikila was also feeling bad why, how can you say that without consulting me. But I also feel that in a certain way Ruru should have consulted this with Dikila पहले before making the video कि bro तूने ये बात सच्ची में बोली थी बोल के, तो I think she should have consulted Dikila as well, तो वो बात उसने नहीं किया है, तो for that I do feel they need to work things out. And but I think मेरा और Dikila का it's sorted. It's just fans are attacking me, thinking I am the one bitching about Dikila to Ruru and all that, but it's that.
How do you think Dikila is playing?
Playing as a contestant,
yeah.
I think she certainly knows how to get the audience attention. So a lot of people are claiming, okay, because me and Digila are from the same place, okay. After this controversy, okay, मेरे को बहुत लोग ने बोला है कि are you jealous of Digila? You are not even 1% like Digila. I am not jealous of her at all. Firstly, I'm not jealous of her followers, and I'm very happy that she's getting followers and all that. क्योंकि हम same place से हैं and all that. तो बस मेरे को ये I think in a way why people are comparing me and Dikila is because we are both from the same place, but Dikila is getting more fame than me. Okay, so the reason being, I think Dikila is has connected more with the audience in her first initial stages as well. जो उसका जब first introduction नहीं हुआ था, जब अनिकेत के साथ था, तो ये हो गया था. तो I think she उसी बात पे she connected the most with the audience firstly. थोड़ा she connected and related to the audience mostly, क्योंकि I think a lot of people has gone through that phase, right? तो मेरा तो कुछ ऐसा निकला ही नहीं, तो I think वो connection को लेके relate करके she आगे बढ़ी है. And then eventually उसका थोड़ा throughout the show as well, people can see how she's very she to the Nepali community, okay, she reminds us of this certain someone. Recently, okay, मेरे cousin का call आया, and then she was bro, Dikila कितना funny है and all that. So I think in a way she is very funny as well. So the unintentionally funny भी हो जाती है because the way of her accent and all that. So she was telling me, bro, Dikila is so funny. वो ना मेरे को मेरी मम्मी की remind करती है, okay, my Nepali cousin and all that. मेरी मम्मी because ना हमारी मम्मी लोग भी ना ऐसे बात करती है, the way she speaks and all that, her accent and all that, it comes out like this. तो उसी बात पे people are do find her funny and all that. तो उसी बात पे I find ठीक है whatever it is चल रहा है, but it's not that I'm jealous and all that. So
I think
people should let it out of their mind,
it's just the fans.
Yeah,
I think it's not even Dikila. I feel like because I've done podcast with couple of people, and this is gonna be my 4th episode with you. I just feel like the fan base just wants to spread hate. Dikila is not quoting that like she's hating on somebody. Dikila is not saying, anybody's not saying.
Her fan base. Fan base.
Yeah, it's her fan base who's saying. Like if Dikila goes out and say they are jealous, I would take that word. Okay, that's Dikila saying. But the fan base calling people jealous, it's just like they want Dikila to react. They want to trigger Dikila. They want something, the drama. They're dying for the drama.
They want to Dikila to speak out on that and all.
Yeah, but I don't think so. I think Dikila is smart enough to not to pay heat to that hate.
क्योंकि episode जब एयर हो रहा है, Dikila के साथ किसी के साथ भी beef चल रहा है, खनक के साथ beef चल रहा था, about that particular scene, कि Habibi.
Khanak. But I really like Khanak, and I feel like that was whatever happened with that Khanak wala scene, but that was not called for.
Yeah.
But I just feel like, because see, now you are from Nepali community, right? And I am from North India, Delhi, and she's from Dubai, right? So calling out on her,
exactly,
that is wrong.
Yeah, that I felt like was a little.
Yeah, so that's where I was saying that कि अगर Dikila को कोई बोल दे तो her fans will trigger. Now Khanak doesn't have that fan base, but she is very sweet and innocent, because I've spoken to her, and I feel like that is so wrong, while going to the community was wrong. I felt like that, and I think Dikila is also somebody जो कि I relate to Dikila, because I also fuck up, I also say bad things, and then I feel bad, अरे यार ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, you know what I'm saying? So that, do you feel like those Dikila ने खनक करके बोला था वो सही था, जो
I think वो खनक that was that was fun, but then the way she was saying the Arabic में गाली वगैरह दे रही थी, that was a little uncalled for, because इससे पहले if you remember जब वो dance practice वगैरह हो रहा था, खनक ने बोला कि इसको नेपाली में बोलना बंद कर and all that, इसको tell her not to speak in Nepali and all that.
Because
उसी बात पे the fans got so triggered, okay, the Nepali fan base got so triggered कि how can she call out Nepali में तो बात कर रही, so what's the big deal and all that, ऐसे बात में triggered हो गई. Now she Dikila is calling out, लेकिन Arabic में कुछ बोल रही है खनक को. Now the fan base is like wow, जगह दिखा दी and all that. So it's the same thing, right? अगर वो Dikila like नेपाली में कुछ like खनक is like saying नेपाली में कुछ और, but then now Dikila is like wow, like Dikila को offend हो गया, like नेपाली community offend हो गए. But then अगर Dikila Arabic में कुछ बोल रही है, तो now even like people, that is also racist, like in a way. So people should understand that. It's just like people are so blindly.
I think what Khanak meant was that she doesn't understand Nepali. So she will, like even I, like if I have friends, I don't know how to speak Punjabi or understand Punjabi, but all my friends are Punjabi because I'm Rajput. So now when they talk in Punjabi, na, I'm like, भाई तू हिंदी में बात कर ना यार, मेरे को समझ नहीं आती. So I think that was the place Khanak was coming from, and she did not mean any damage, and nobody is jealous, guys, just to put that way out.
I have a lot of friends as well, okay? So Nepali, if I'm hanging out with a Nepali friend and then we are in a group, अगर बीच में हम भी नेपाली बोल लेती हूँ, लेकिन निकल जाता है, लेकिन मुंह से, लेकिन it naturally comes out Nepali because it feels awkward, like if I'm with a Nepali friend and मैं अचानक से हिंदी में बात कर, it feels awkward. So that point, like I can say, like Dikila is right. Like if she's talking to Aniket, then ठीक है, she can talk in Nepali or whatever. But if I'm in a group, like if I'm talking about a certain conversation, yeah, like I would speak in Hindi or like whatever language, like we all understand.
Yeah. Now coming to the point where Dikila and Aniket, they broke up and then they patched up and now they're together.
Yeah, they're together.
So what do you have to say about their relationship?
I think they're good in their place. A lot of people claim that Aniket is very toxic and all that, but I do feel like दोनों में थोड़ा, like there is some points in both of them, like people should like stop pointing out like Aniket ka mistake only, and like and just like they should like just see like both of them are the mistakes ho jate dono se, like I think there are certain points about both of them that they should work on. So I think that's what they will eventually do. I hope they do, like they work on their flaws and their mistakes and all that, whatever, and they if they work it out, then they might eventually like be committed for a long time or get married.
But I think they will get married.
Yeah, I do hope that they get married if they work it out.
Yeah,
okay,
if they can like literally go through this phase. एक couple अगर एक reality show survive कर लेता है, which was so open and like so everybody had, because the story was out. I think if they survive this, they are going long way.
Exactly.
So,
and one more thing I want to clear it out. I never hit on Aniket, okay? देव ने बहुत बार ये बातें निकाली है कि मैंने अनिकेत के साथ हिट करने की ट्राई किया है, like and lot of लोग मेरे को बोल भी रहे हैं, like कि oh she's saying that about Dikila because she wants to be with Aniket and all that. It's not. I ship Aniket and Dikila. जब वो लोग they were together, like in the villa.
For me, he's Aniket Da. You all say that.
He's not my Da. He's not my Da.
Oh, for me it is Aniket Da.
He's not my Da, but he is definitely my brother. Okay.
Da means what?
Da means brother.
Brother. Okay.
Yeah. But it means basically elder brother.
Elder? No. I'm elder.
Bhai. So you call him Bhai.
Okay. I call him Bhai. Okay.
So he's also my Bhai, brother, whatever. But I never hit on Aniket. मैंने बस एक task, like if the chance happens, like Aniket के साथ ideal match के जाने के लिए, तो I would definitely go with Aniket.
Dikila को problem हुई थी?
दिकिला के सामने ये बात हुई थी, like दिकिला ने बोला था जा बोल के तू लोग जा, तो तब दिकिला का like फिक्स ये कन्वर्सेशन तब हुई थी, like बिफोर जो हमारी वो टास्क नहीं हुई थी, like द टची आई डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ द टास्क, द इंटीमेट वाला टास्क जहाँ पे टच करना है ये वाला. बिफोर दैट like दिकिला वाज अ लिटिल कंफ्यूज एज वेल बिकॉज एग्जाइल में दिकिला सचिन ने दिकिला को पिच किया था, एंड देन दे बेसिकली थॉट like they would like build a connection together, but then Splits Villa में आने के बाद she decided to stick with Aniket. तो बहुत सीन हो गया था. She got a little confused between who to choose and all that.
दिग्विजय और अनिकेत के बीच में choose.
और सचिन.
दिग्विजय और सचिन के सचिन और अनिकेत के बीच में choose.
सचिन और अनिकेत के बीच में. There's a whole episode like before like Dikila finally says that I want to go with Aniket बोल के. So before that ये conversation हुई थी like because Dikila was also not sure तब. तो उसने तभी like डिसाइड किया था कि like I would choose अनिकेत बोल के. जब सनी मैम तनुज सर ने पूछा था who would you want to perform with बोल के, तो तब उसने अनिकेत बोला था. So before that like before that particular scene happened, तो तभी हमने बात कर रही थी like then she was also like हाँ तू चले जा like अनिकेत के साथ चले अगर मौका मिले तो चले जा आइडल मैच के लिए. तो यही हुआ था. So it was not a really big conversation about like
if Dikila doesn't have a problem, then why would anybody have a problem?
Yeah, exactly.
So I think it's very like yours and Dave's matter is very complicated, bro. Like
I think they've just wanted a reason to like
क्लोजर की जरूरत है इसमें सख्त, वरना तो तुम दोनों एक दूसरे को ऐसे ही like you guys
it got a little complicated because beach में like there was a little communication gap, so maybe because of that as well. And then just the way of him portraying, there was a lot of fan pages, okay, देव का fan pages, ये तो अनिकेत के ऊपर भी try करी है, दिग्दन के ऊपर भी try करे है बोल के, तो बहुत सारे ऐसे accusations आ गए थे, तो इसलिए मेरे को बहुत like matter close करना है बोल के तब भी मैंने वो video बनाया था.
So now coming to the point, now I think we have done. Anything you want to say to your fan base, like people from your community who think that like Tequila is whatever. Can you end this in your language? Just say it. I don't want to understand it. You can say it literally to them. There is you and them right now in the room, and please just say something जो कि बहुत ही मतलब मेरे को ये कहना है. If you can convey this my message. You go.
I just want to say like यस्तो कन्फ्युजन नपार्नु होइन. हामी एउटा शोमा गएको, शोमा सबैजना हामी जति पनि नेपाली कम्युनिटी थियो, नेपाली मान्छे हामी सबै मिलजुलले बस्ने कोसिस गरेको थियो, ठीक है. लाइक वी ट्राइड स्टेइङ टुगेदर इन द शो, लाइक अल अफ लाइक जो भी थे लेकिन नेपाली पीपल, वी ट्राइड स्टेइङ टुगेदर एन्ड वी वर टुगेदर अल्सो, लाइक इट्स सो आफ्टर द शो एज वेल, लाइक जसलाई जति माया पायो, जसलाई जति फलोवर्स पायो, आई एम ह्याप्पी फर अल अफ देम बिकज लाइक दे हेभ अ डिफरेन्ट स्टोरी, I have a different story. So that's why also like I don't have anything against anyone. And rahi baat kiski, rahi baat like followers, there is no jealousy between all like all the like people and all that. I just want to say like agar tape fan ho bani, like Tequila ko fan ho bani, just don't be like so don't hate on someone so much that you go and like trash someone so badly.
Because now people are saying that Ruru doesn't know how to speak Nepali, so Ruru is not like the previous video people are saying. So
Yeah,
Ruru is against.
Ruru is Nepali. It's just like she was brought up in Delhi, so she is more in touch with this. But because I was brought up there, so I'm more in touch with my roots and all that. Like community में like वहाँ पे पल भर रहे ना, तो she is grown up here, तो she different वो हो गया.
समझ जाएंगे ये जो आपने बोला है.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I hope you understand. Like, please be like thoda respectful towards like the
other
contestants basically.
Yeah, because I don't see her spreading hate.
I know it's not Tequila. It's just mostly.
It's not her. It's like, why do you think we have? Or I'm not even in this season, bro. I'm just putting out a story. Like I don't have any problem. I just said in that video, the last video, that I have mad love for Tequila. Or the only thing they noticed was the most. I asked this question: who is the most overrated contestant? They had a problem with that. मैं इससे भी पूछूंगी. वही question मैं सबसे पूछूंगी जो भी मेरे channel पे आएगा. तो there is nothing like that going on. Now this chapter is closed. Tequila, Dev, Kashish, we've all discussed that. Now we come to Digvijay, Digvijay and Shivit. Now who are you close to more?
I think Digvijay, because Shivit के साथ इतना बातें नहीं. Digvijay के साथ तो like I recently met him as well few times after the show. Shivit के साथ I haven't met once also. इतना conversation बातें भी नहीं हुई.
How do you like Shivit as a person?
No.
Are you friends with Naira though?
I'm not that close to Naira as well. I think.
Do you like Shivit's game as an audience right now?
No. I think I liked him in Roadies. Yeah.
So do you
but
think...
Sizzla me, I just want to ask him like, what are you doing?
Digvijay, coming to the Digvijay point. Digvijay is playing good, do you think?
Digvijay is, he is a smart player. Yeah.
He is a smart player. Now Digvijay और उन्नति का जो connection है, वो भी सिर्फ वो वाला कॉल पे कंटेंट. ये मुझे बहुत सही चीज सिखाई है तूने, पता है. I'm going to say this to couple of my friends who've done old seasons. I'll tell them, bro, you know what this podcast I did with this girl, and she was saying हमारी सिर्फ कंटेंट के लिए फोन पे बात होती है. That's why it was really cool what you said. So like what is their connection like? Because Ruru ने बहुत सारी चाय फैला दी थी. चाय पे चर्चा ही हो गई पूरी.
So I'll be all out even because it's going on the internet like war time से. So Unnati does have a boyfriend outside. Did used to have a boyfriend outside, but then I did also have a word with her, and then she did say like it's over between them, her and her ex-boyfriend.
Okay, after Splitsvilla it got over.
Yes, after Splitsvilla it got over. So she did mention that. So so Digvijay के साथ like जब मिलती हूँ, I do feel like it's a little genuine from Digvijay.
Yeah, I also feel like
Yeah.
Digvijay is very invested.
Yeah, he tries, like, you know, he gives his effort and all that. वो जहाँ भी जाता है, he takes her along with him and all that.
पर
तो
उन्नति की साइड से इतना जेन्युइन नहीं है जितना दिग्विजय की साइड से.
I mean, it might look like that to the audience and all that, considering Unnati का already boyfriend था, like, you know, who has a tattoo and all that. तो मेरे को ये tattoo वाली बात तो पता भी नहीं था. I got to know that from the same fake account जो जिसमें मेरा expose कर दिया था. तो so from the same fake account, like, you know, they told about Unnati का also.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
तो
So,
उन्नति और
Unnati basically has a tattoo here.
तो जो रेडिट का जो भी अकाउंट होल्डर है
The page, the same page that, like, you know, said a lot of shit about.
Kashish are friends?
I don't think so. No, they're not friends.
Okay.
Unnati, Kashish and Digvijay are definitely not friends. I can tell you that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll get to know about later.
Yeah. सबने सॉर्ट किया थोड़ा बहुत, उन्होंने बिल्कुल सॉर्ट भी नहीं किया.
I don't think so. उन लोग का इतना connection नहीं बना Kashish and Unnati का. Like in the
Digvijay and Naira became ideal match when you were dumped.
Yes, I made him an ideal match.
So what are your
Me and
thoughts
Nuru.
about it? You were happy them becoming an ideal match?
I think yes, because वहाँ पे ना like बहुत divided हो गया था, like, you know, ये हर्ष का वाला सब ये लोग, and then ये exile वाले लोग, you know, and then eventually exile वाले लोग थोड़ा कम होते जा रहे थे, and then the power was mostly going to the other side. तो अगर, like, you know, if the power is equally divided, then the game gets interesting. So दिग्विजय के साथ जब power गया तो I felt like, you know, ठीक है, it's interesting. Even I don't know what's gonna happen after this.
Now एक और मैटर है हर्ष, वैशाली और शुभी का. आपको क्या लगता है कि ये मैटर क्या है? क्योंकि शुभी ने तो आपको आउट किया है, तो आपकी पर्सपेक्टिव बहुत अलग होगा, मुझे पता है.
Honestly बताओ, जब विला में थी, okay, जब विला में थी, like, you know, when रुशाली, I was more close to रुशाली, right? रुशाली and हर्ष, उन लोगों के साथ और ज़्यादा close थी. तो when they were saying, like, you know, इन दोनों का कुछ, तो so basically she did mention, like, you know, a lot of times, like, you know, इन दोनों का कुछ नहीं था, they just met one time and it was not that deep. तो I believed her, like, you know, कि हाँ शुभिका और हर्ष का इतना deep नहीं था. But then Shubhi did make it seem, like, you know, like in the episodes, like, you know, जो भी Shubhi, like, you know, अभी episode देखने में, like, you know, it is looking like, you know, it is a little deep between, like, you know, Shubhi and Harsh. But then जब मेरे को बोला गया कि जब मेरे को बोला गया थ्रू रुशाली mention किया कि, like, you know, इतना deep नहीं था, तो, like, you know, that's why I made a connection with Harsh. Yeah.
Okay, so you think, like, do you think Rushali is making a right choice being with Harsh?
No. I do feel like, you know, if I do feel like, you know, अगर कोई बंदे के पास crush, like, you know, if she has a crush, like, you know, my friend has a crush on this particular guy, I will never try on him.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
like, even though, like, you know, एक बार मिले हो, दो बार मिले हो, like, you know, शुभी ने अगर mention किया है, like, you know, he is my crush बोल के, and then हर्ष ने भी mention किया है अगर, like, you know, कि I'll wait for you after the show and all, ऐसे, like, you know, I'll be with you after the show and all, ऐसा mention किया है, like, you know, yeah, तो she should, like, you know, respect that. Rushali should have respected that.
It is so sad. And I literally texted Rushali like a couple of days back when I was watching this episode with Ruru, and I normally don't watch it, but she was here and I wanted to see her elimination and get the reaction out of her. And I was watching it and then I was like, bro, this chick is going through so much. It's like, I have love for Shubhi as well, but it's like, pata kya? Ab now your heart, it wants what it wants. I believe in love. I believe, like, you know, like, I get it, my friend has a crush on somebody, but you know, I am that person who always thinks about me. You get that? Like, but my best friend, मैं उसको पटा लूँगी. I will talk to, like, if I would have been there in Rushali's place, I would have patao-fight Shubhi, you know, like, listen, you try on somebody else. That's what me and my friends do. You try on somebody else, I'm gonna try on this guy. You get that? But it is so fucked up, like, how their situation is exposed. You know, like,
the way it came out, it's
I would have
really,
not
really
dealt
bad.
with. You would have dealt with that.
I think in a way, like, you know, if I was in Rushali's place, I think I would have backed off, like, you know, when Shubhi came. Yeah. But then तब तक, like, you know, Rushali और हर्ष का connection strong बन चुका था. They were winning. They were an ideal match. They were, like, you know, winning task and all that. So maybe they felt like, you know, कि नहीं, this girl now maybe, like, you know, Rushali might have felt like, you know, maybe in the beginning I was coming in between. But then अभी मेरा हर्ष के साथ bond better हो चुका है. Yours better than yours and Harsh. Better than Shubhi and Harsh. So now you are the person in between. So maybe Rushali felt that way.
आपके लिए क्या important है, गेम या प्यार? What is more important for you, गेम या प्यार?
Um, wow, this question I never thought, like, अगर प्यार genuine है, like, if I'm in a genuinely किसी के साथ प्यार है, अगर होता, like, विला में, then प्यार.
प्यार.
Yeah.
You would have been
But अगर देव के साथ होता, like, and if I had to choose, देव के साथ जो भी situation था हमारा, and then देव और game choose करना पड़ता, तो I would definitely choose game.
So basically not for Dev, but अगर genuine प्यार होता, तो you would have stayed in the, well, you would have left the game for the love. Like how Adit left for Khanak. How did you feel about that? Wasn't that sweet?
Yes, Adit did not basically leave for, like, Khanak, but I do feel that, like, he left. Okay, उसको बोला तो गया, like, he left because of some medical terms and all that. But yeah, I think he left for Khanak only.
You left for Khanak.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Ameha, when we are getting ahead in this game, we are seeing that people are fighting in broadcast and people are going live after every episode and they are messing each other up and they're pole pattifying everybody and like this is
There's another show going on after the show.
Yeah, so what do you have to say about that? Like, what do you think triggers people after the episode?
The VDs.
Who's killing it in VDs?
Kashish, definitely.
Kashish is killing it in VDs. She's giving like dhar ke.
Yeah, enjoying the, like, the episode is enjoyable, but then Kashish ka VDs are also very funny, like, enjoyable. It's gonna be interesting because अभी तक show में they were दोस्ती यारी चल रहे थे, दोस्ती यारी चल रहा था show में, and अभी after this तो बहुत ज़्यादा, अब दूसरा controversy होगा, अब मजा I won't get involved in that controversy, बस देखने में मजा आएगा.
Now, Ameha, we played this last segment with you where I'm gonna ask you questions, which is gonna be rapid fire, your favorite round, and फटाफट जवाब देना है. And you know, like there is this one question, like where because people have made it so. मतलब I just randomly asked Harsh and Rushali, like who's the most overrated contestant, and then they said Tequila, and then I asked Akriti and all, then she said Tequila, and people in the comment section were like, my question got famous, so this question is definitely gonna be there. It's your choice who to give in most overrated contestant. I'm just
so since everyone is saying Tequila, like, I do feel like she's overrated as well. Can I name someone else?
Yeah.
Let me think.
अभी क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट नहीं हुए थे. Tequila, रुक जा. Okay, first thing.
There's so many contestants.
No, we just keep it to the main, and also we are just gonna keep it to the main queue. Okay. The first question is, who cries for no reason? मगरमच्छ के आंसू.
Anika.
Anika?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's the most cringiest contestant this year?
Arbaz.
Arbaz. Is he married?
He is.
He is.
Yeah, he's not married. He has a fiance, I think.
Okay.
But a lot of people think he has a kid as well. थोड़ा
Yeah, they
चढ़-बढ़ के बता देता है ना.
Okay. Sorry. So next question is, who is the clown of this season?
Who is the clown of the season?
Joker.
Joker. Rigden.
Rigden.
He's funny, but, like,
in a good
that
way,
sense,
clown.
yeah.
Okay. Who's the gutter mouth this season?
Gutter mouth. Akriti.
Akriti. Who's the attention seeker this season?
Attention seeker. Kashish.
Footage के लिए कुछ भी.
Footage के लिए कुछ भी है. Akriti.
Overacting की दुकान.
What? Can we name the same person again and again?
Okay. Next. नहीं. अब ना overacting की दुकान में हम दूसरा करेंगे. कोई और. आकृति को छोड़ के कोई और.
आकृति को छोड़ के कोई और. Wait. नहीं, आकृति
देखा. अब मैं क्या करूं? अब ना, who's the most overrated contestant this year? And please just say somebody else.
Digvijay.
Digvijay is not gonna feel bad, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, Digvijay is like, हाँ मेरा को लिया नाम. He'll be like, तू मेरा दोस्त है, समझ.
Digvijay is like, next to Tequila, Digvijay को भी बहुत मिल रहा है. But I think Digvijay का थोड़ा जायज है, I think.
हाँ, I think yeah.
Yeah.
मतलब I also.
He's a player as well, like, he's playing with his right mind.
I have to confess this. I'm for the first time getting, like, I didn't know Nepal has such audience. Sorry, like Northeastern like love Splitsvilla.
Northeast and Nepal.
Are different. I knew it. वो मेरा it was slip of the tongue. I
yeah,
wanted
she
to
said
say,
it. She said it.
Yeah, it was a regional thing, and मैंने गलती से country बोल दिया, and they had like.
I understand. It's completely fine because
Yeah.
a lot of people.
I
the
thought
villa,
she's from Nepal.
Everybody thinks we are from Nepal because थोड़ा confusion हो जाता है because I don't mind that at all, and I love like correcting people, and then it's just like you don't know this, the people if you see the people who are commenting, they'll be like, you don't know this, you learn your geography and all that, but if I have to say it like no, it's actually where I'm from North.
Thank you.
That is how you say it.
Thank you.
That is how you
correcting.
say it.
I love it.
Yeah.
I would make sure I say this now next time. Okay, who's the most overrated contestant? Digvijay.
Yes, Digvijay, you're so overrated.
Okay, who's the most selfish contestant this year?
Selfish. I think Kashish.
Kashish.
Yeah, because she wants all the boys for herself.
Okay, who's the Joru ka gulam?
Joru ka gulam. Jashwant.
Jashwant.
And I want to say Dev too.
Dev किसका है?
Dev जो भी footage खा रहा है उसका,
अच्छा.
जो भी क्या बोले screen time ले रहा है उसका.
Basically, you are trying to say that Dev will be seen with the girl who gives him more footage.
Yeah.
Footage के लिए
girl ही नहीं लेकिन group में जो भी है
footage
guys.
के लिए कुछ भी में देव का नाम नहीं आना चाहिए था.
नहीं हाँ वो भी but वो try करता है but then he can't surpass आकृति.
Okay, थाली का बैगन.
What does that mean?
ना इधर का ना उधर का, जहाँ वजन ज्यादा उधर चला गया.
वो तो देवी होगा उसमें.
देवी है.
वो भी इधर उधर पहले वो करता था. I think he tried being friends with like Digvijay and all that as well, but then उसके साथ भी होता था, and then इधर पे भी शिवित वगैरह साथ भी थोड़ा करता था, लेकिन चुगली करता था इधर उधर दिग्विजय का. And then I think his name was also Chugli Aunty. The Dikila named him Chugli Aunty because इधर पे इन लोग के साथ बात कर रहा है उन ग्रुप के बारे में, and इधर पे उन लोग.
You also agree Dev is the Chugli Aunty? That was one of the
Yeah.
worst. You think who's the worst dressed female contestant?
Worst dressed
right
female
now
contestant.
in the show.
Right now. I think Naira.
Yeah. Okay. Who's the worst dressed male contestant?
Male contestant. Addy.
Entertainment task जो हुआ था, जो डांस टास्क हुआ था, उसमें सबसे अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस आपको कौन सा लगा था?
Oh, Sachin and Ishita. They killed it. Yeah.
आकृति and जशवंत थे वहाँ पे.
मैंने देखा भी नहीं उन लोगों को. Because my eyes were on Sachin and Ishita.
Yeah.
They performed so well.
Do you like Sachin as a person? Like.
Yeah, he's a nice person.
I think Sachin is one of the persons.
Yeah, I think he's
most professional.
Yeah, and he's so misunderstood in the show.
I want to say something. I did a podcast with him, and you won't believe. Like, I was in Bombay, and whatever. Long story short, then he was like, "Bhavya, let's do the podcast." And I was like, "Okay." मेरे को लगा कि like everybody is like 20 minutes late, 30 minutes late. He's on time, and he's like, "Okay, now, okay, you sit. I'm gonna do the setup." Okay, he's setting up everything and everything. I'm sitting, and he's like, "Okay, let's start, Bhavya. Let's go. Question बताओ फटाफट." I'm like, एक डेढ़ घंटे में podcast खत्म हुआ, and he went for his second gig, and I was like, "Dude, how do you even do it? Like, it's so professional of him to do it. I have mad love for him."
Yeah.
Do you think Sachin फालतू में पिस गया आकृति के चक्कर में?
Yeah, I think so. And then Akriti चक्कर में, and then the way he flips around like इधर के maybe I think उसका भी I think किस्मत ही ऐसा ही था.
But I think he never connected like he did not find love in the show like
no,
so game के survival के लिए I think switching
and
partners coming from somebody who switched. I have switched 14
I just felt bad like that he switched from Ishita because I think Ishita के साथ चल रहा था उसका अच्छा like then when they performed together इतनी अच्छी chemistry दिख रही थी इन दोनों की. तो I felt bad like for Ishita.
चमचा #chamchi this season.
चमचा चमची एक ही person चमचा चमची. Dev is the chamcha of Kashish.
Who's the most fakest couple that won't survive after Splitsvilla according to you?
Arbaaz and Naira.
वो couple नहीं है.
Oh come on, bracelet exchange कर दे. Arbaaz came with bracelet like gifts.
Apparently,
you know something about Arbaaz? He carried like 12 luggages.
Yeah.
Yeah. And बाद 12 luggages when he was coming to the villa, and then बाद में he shipped few more luggages. And you know he had gifts.
For everybody. I wish I was in a seat.
He got a gift for Naira, वो bracelet था. As per the show बता रही हूँ.
अच्छा.
तो as per the show, like you know, तो थोड़ा
No, the
दिखाते
podcast
like you
came
know, they
right
try to.
now. She did a podcast, it came right now, and
अच्छा
I
हाँ अभी तो like you know of course you'll feel bad कि पता
connection
शो
है.
के बाद पता चल रहा है इसका तो बीवी है वो हाँ इतना टिकटॉक विकटॉक चल रहा है लेकिन वो रीले डाल रही है किसी बंदी के साथ दुबई में जाके ये चल रहा है.
Okay, Ameha, before we let you go, we have this last thing where I want you to rank 5 girls according to their fashion sense
Okay.
in the dome session. ठीक है, इसके अंदर मैं डिकीला को ऐड कर लूंगी. पिछली बार लोग इतना मेरे मतलब हद से ज्यादा पागल हो गए लोग यार कि उसका नाम नहीं था, उसका नाम नहीं था, मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया यार.
Yeah.
चलो, the question is Dikila. I'm gonna remove Akriti this time. I'm done. Dikila, Shobika, Shubhi, Anika, Rushali.
Rushali.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I would say Rushali.
Rushali first.
Rushali first.
Okay.
And then I do like Anika also.
Anika.
Dikila.
Third.
हाँ Dikila and कौन था?
Shubhi,
Shubhi and
Shobika.
नहीं I think Rushali. Okay, I'll say Shobika. I really love her dressing sense.
Yeah,
okay?
I do. I love her.
I want to put Shobika second. I
Okay.
love her the way she dresses.
हाँ.
And then third में I'll put Dikila.
हाँ.
She थोड़ा soft dress up करती है. And I do like Anika. And then last में Shubhi.
Shubhi
Yeah.
is the 5th.
Yeah.
Before we let you go, Ameha, I want you to give a message to your fans who are watching right now. Love, brother.
Thank you so much for like you know tuning क्या बोलते हैं? Tuning in. Tuning in this podcast, and then it was a really fun time with Bhavya. बहुत ही मजा आया. And the message that I want to give to my like you know fans and supporters and all that are like you know thank you so much for supporting. बहुत ही I feel like you know lot of लोगों को मैंने disappoint भी कर दिया इतना जल्दी out होके. मैं अच्छा perform कर रही थी, and अगर मौका मिलता तो I would have performed well.
Yeah.
But definitely this is not the end of my journey, and then like you know just
अभी रोडीज बचा है.
I don't know, but let's see. Let's see. Thank you so much for all this love, and yeah, very grateful to have you all. Oh, very grateful to have you all. Mic me.
Okay, guys, this was Ameha for you. I had a fun time shooting this podcast. All I want to say is that keep away from negativity and hate. अभी क्या है ना कि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, लाइक सोशल मीडिया इतना एक्टिव हो गया ना कि लोगों को हेट बहुत ज़्यादा फैलानी. आई थिंक you should have an opinion. And
Yeah.
there is nothing wrong in having an opinion. You should have an opinion. अगर लगता है कि कुछ गलत हो रहा है तो बोलो, बट एक ढंग से बोलो, एक तरीके से बोलो, एक अच्छे से बोलो. Maybe some people will take it in a constructive way. You know, like, and people make
Constructive criticism.
Yeah.
That would be the best, like you know,
Best
क्योंकि
thing.
because जो भी लोग यहाँ पे show पे आए थे, like you know, it was like you know most लोगों का
young,
first reality
first.
show था.
Yeah.
And there were like a lot of mistakes and all that. So
Yeah.
we will like you know जब भी आगे जाएंगे we'll try to like you know be better version of ourselves.
Yeah.
And उसी mistake से like we'll try to learn.
Yeah.
But it's not like you know ये गलती करे, you are like you know you're pathetic, you're
you're
loser,
disgusting, loser,
yeah.
ये,
This
वो,
is like you know not the kind of
labels.
like you know like you know
Yeah, so-
response we appreciate.
Yeah, I just feel like there should be a way of even putting
exactly.
up opinion out, because I get it that you have the right to, and we have the right to even listen to you because you are our family. But एक अच्छे वे में करोगे ना तो हम भी अच्छे तरीके से लेंगे. It doesn't go for me, it goes for her, everybody.
Yeah.
And yeah, like I'm loving the love you've been giving on my Splitsla 15 series. This was my 4th episode with Ameha. Couple of more coming soon, and till the time oh wait, I want you to teach me in Nepali how do I say new video dropping every Wednesday 4:45. Okay, धीरे चल रहा.
नया वीडियो
नया वीडियो
every को नेपाली में क्या बोलते हैं?
नया वीडियो every
नया वीडियो every
Wednesday.
वेडनेसडे को भी वो नहीं पता नेपाली में क्या बोलते हैं. नया वीडियो एवरी वेडनेसडे माउछा. नया वीडियो एवरी वेडनेसडे 4:30 में आउछा.
4:45 में आउछा. नया वीडियो every Wednesday 4:45 में आउछा. And thank you for watching till the time. I'll see you
Thank you
next.
so much for watching. Thank you for having me, Bhavya.
Bye. It was such a pleasure, sweetheart.
Thank you for having me. Bye-bye. Bye, Paolo.
Bye.